You are standing on your front porch with two heavy bags of groceries hanging off your wrists. Your fingers are already starting to cramp from the weight. You are desperately trying to fish a tiny piece of metal out of your deep pocket. You want to do this without dropping your eggs on the hard concrete. We have all been there. It is one of those small, daily frustrations. It just wears you down over time. This is exactly why moving toward a keyless entry system feels so good. It is less like a tech upgrade and more like a massive quality of life improvement. This specific Deadbolt is part of a signature series. It really strikes a perfect balance. You get old school reliability mixed with modern convenience. It has that classic keyhole right in the center. This is great for those of us who still feel a bit nervous. You do not have to rely entirely on the electronics if you do not want to. But the real magic happens with the keypad. It sits right above the keyhole. To lock up when you are heading out, you just hit the dedicated lock button. You hear that solid, satisfying mechanical thrum. The bolt slides right into place. It is such a simple, clean movement. When you come back home, you just punch in your personalized code. The door unlocks automatically for you. There is no wiggling a stubborn key. You do not have to hope the cylinder doesn't stick in the freezing cold weather. One of the best parts of the setup is the flexibility. It gives you so many options with visitors. You do not have to go out and get extra keys cut. You do not need to worry about a house sitter or a visiting relative. You can actually program additional codes into the system directly. This means you can give a unique number to a friend. You just delete it when they leave. Your primary code stays private and confidential. You never have to worry about who might have a spare key. On the back of the unit, inside your house, it looks very clean. It is functional and sleek. There is a standard thumb turn. You use that when you want to lock up manually from the couch. Under the cover, you will find where the power lives. It runs on 4 standard AA batteries. They are very easy to swap out when the time comes. They even tuck the programming instructions right there. You find them inside the battery compartment. This is a brilliant move. Nobody ever keeps the paper manual for more than a week. If someone tries to guess your code, the system starts beeping. It creates this immediate sense of security. It lets you know the hardware is actively working. It is robust and smart. It solves that grocery bag struggle once and for all. It really changes the way you think about your front door. You stop worrying about lost keys. You stop hiding spares under the doormat. Instead, you just trust the code. The build quality feels heavy and secure. The buttons have a nice resistance to them. Every time you hear that motor engage, you get a little hit of dopamine. You know your home is sealed tight. It is one of those upgrades that pays for itself. You get peace of mind every single day. You can finally leave the house with nothing but your phone. That kind of freedom is hard to beat. The installation is straightforward. You do not need a professional. You just need a screwdriver and a little bit of time on a Saturday morning. Once it is on the door, it looks sharp. It fits right in with the rest of your hardware. The finish is sleek. It resists fingerprints very well. You do not want a keypad that shows your patterns. This design handles that beautifully. It is a solid piece of home security. It is built for years of daily use.